page 7. This is a circle in its many different parts. Now a circle has an infinite amount of different points all along it to make up its outer edge. And then you have a point right at the center, and it's simply called your center. And you need to know what you denote this with, because that's how you refer back to this circle. You refer to it depending on what you call this center point. We call it C. This is A, point B, and point D. So one of the things about this is a radius is simply from the center to the outer edge in a straight line. That's what the radius is. It's that length right there. Now if you double it and you go from this side all the way across in a straight line to the other side, that's the diameter. And a diameter has to run through the center of the circle, and remember that. Now wherever you would draw a radius out, you could draw one there, you could draw one out that way, it will always be the same length all the way around. Then you have what we call an arc. An arc is a portion of the outer edge of the line, and it's just simply, depending on which points you name, it's the distance around. It's just that line segment that's kind of slightly curved like this. It's that particular one. So if you wanted to talk about just simply this portion of the line, I'm going to go ahead and darken it. If you want to talk about that specific dark portion of the line, that is an arc, and that is arc AB, because it's between these 2 points. Now I'm going to show you how to write all of these things. First, let's start with the arc. Arc AB, you pretty much put the points that is between the endpoints. Then you put this little arc symbol above it. That's the arc. Now if you want to talk about this radius here, well, that's just simply a line segment. We already know what that is. So you put AC, and then the line segment symbol right above it, like that. And then you have the circle itself. Remember I told you that you're going to use the center label for denoting this particular circle. We named it C. So you put a little circle with a dot in the center, and then you put the center point label, so C, right next to it. And that's the circle that has a center point of C. That's this one right here. And if you notice that there are lots of different arcs, if we were just going to break it up in terms of these 3 outside points, you have 3 arcs. This is the first one, and then the second one would be from B all the way to D. Then the third and last one is from D all the way around until you hit A again. So 3 different. Those are the components of a circle.